I'm so excited today to share with you a house that's only 3 houses away from the beautiful Gulf of Mexico. Let's go check out this beach house. And plenty of space for the whole family and friends. And ample space for everybody to join. Such a large kitchen. There is a bedroom on the main floor. Balcony, space, vaulted ceilings, but check out this ensuite. Space is the theme in this beach house. I love views of the water. And you've even got this fun outdoor living for your visit. If you want more information about this property, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you. And don't forget, subscribe to thebeachshow.com.